Guys, ito na. So, Robinsons, Lupag, and Freebies. Tara, let's go. Buksan natin. So guys, I am so excited. This is one of the best Lupag and Freebies ever. So, mag-speedrun lang tayo. So, dalawang total Colgate. So, kapag kunwari nag-recycle kayo, meron yung libre. Kellogg's Coco Galaxy. Tapos, cheesy. Ayan, cheesy. Shampoos, detergents, soap, Empress, tapos ayan, Sunsilk, Keratin, Pocari Sweat, and Vitasoy, cooking oil, Barley Max. Guys, yung Barley Max sobrang generous yung box. Handheld mini fan, UCC coffee, Golden Oats, oatmeal, tapos itong Ming's Essential for Greater Health, Nova, Maggi Sabor, which is I'm very surprised. Tapos, Amad Tea, mahal nito. Lipton Tea, Soda Crackers. Ano ba to? English Tea, number 1. Vitamin Boost. Rice Energy Pop. Bread ng Gardenia. Mon. Chippy. Barley Max. Clover again. Jim's Coffee, ang dami binigay. Anlin. C2. O, ano pa ba? Ang daming manlawa ka. Tiger Bites, Barley Max. Tapos meron na naman Del Monte Pineapple, Hidden Spring, Australian Harvest, San Marino Corn Tuna, Birch Tree, Sunflower Seeds, Enervon. Japanese Mayo, surprisingly, water. Tapos Luxury Calcium. O, diba? Meron pang Creamy Latte by Selecta, Gyms. Water, pure. Okay, more detergent. Bread. Chingu Cafe. So, ito yung nilalagay sa ice. Tapos, light water. Great Taste Coffee. C2. Selecta Dubai. Kinain ko na yan. Tapos, Lipton Soda. Quaker Oats, Rice. Sunkissed Orange. Tapos Dietaps, ito kailangan ko sa race. Equal, sugar, ang mamahal ng mga Fritas Turmeric, Barley Max, oatmeal, Amad Tea, o diba, water, Seaweed Vitamin Lemon, yes, we have a lot, and Century Tuna, and meron pa tayo dito guys so, more detergent, dalawang Acra Fresh Toothpaste, sobrang generous nila. Chingu Cafe Caramel Latte, Sensodyne, stickers ng Pay and Go, Del, okay, Clearman, grabe, tapos tissue, Happy, Tiger Balm, Salon Pass, Dove, Sanicare, Mosquito, Katol, diba, Modestel, Bactidol, Tissue, Breeze, okay, Cetaphil, Rexona, okay, Whiskas, Vaseline, Peach Care, Whitening Lotion, Cetaphil, Dermaid, Kojic Plus, Dr. Kaufman, Cetaphil, Fix Hair Gel, Pedigree, ito kailangan ko to, mouthwash, o diba, Orahex, Empress, and Champion. So thank you very much, Fit and Body Run, sobrang salamat. So highly suggest next year punta kayo, ha? So yun lang. Guys, ang dami niya, no? Para magtatayo ng sari-sari store. Must try Rob Run.